One of my favorite activities to do with students is pixel art. Now your first step is to make a copy of the template. That's alicekeeler.com/pixelart. This will prompt you to make a copy of the spreadsheet. Once you've made a copy, then you're ready to use it with TemplateTab. So I'm going to make a copy. Now you're going to want to rename the title of the spreadsheet. So you can see here at the top it says copy of. So this is my activity. And you would have the students 1, 2, 3, 4. They're going to type in single digit numbers to create a picture. Now you might want to arrange this to be some sort of a template where you highlight some cells and merge them, and then you can give directions so that the cells around it allow them to create the picture and do the activity, but you have some sort of a template that you're creating beyond just the grid. Now once you have your template the way that you want it, you're going to come up to the extensions menu and you're going to come and select TemplateTab. Now you will have already needed to have installed TemplateTab, and then it will be available in all of your spreadsheets. If you don't have TemplateTab already, go up to add-ons, choose get add-ons, and search for TemplateTab. Now I'm going to just go ahead and set up the sheet, and you'll see that it's going to add a tab that says put roster here. Now what's going to be important is this first sheet is your roster or list of student names, and the second sheet is your graphic organizer. Now if the first sheet was your pixel art template, and then when you ran it, it's going to become the second sheet, so it's already set up for you. So you can see here I've got a tab for my roster, and the template that I want to duplicate is the second tab. Very important. So probably you already have your student list, and you could just paste it on here, or you can type the student names. I highly recommend that you keep a spreadsheet around with student names and email addresses for whenever you need them, so you can easily copy and paste. So now that I have student names and I have my template on the second tab, which is important, come up to the extensions menu, go to template tab, and choose run template tab. So individual tabs have been created. You're going to see the tabs are here along the bottom. Now in the view menu under hidden sheets, you can see that the roster and the template actually are hidden. So they weren't deleted, but you're only going to see the tabs with your student names, and each student can find their tab along the bottom so that they can do their activity. You're going to want to share this spreadsheet with your students. You can do that by using Google Classroom and adding the file with the middle option that the students can edit it, or you can go to the share icon in the upper right and paste the student emails to give them access, or just save it as anyone with the link can edit and share the link.